gonna bake today.
What are you going to bake?
This mistake.
Mister.
This mistake
Hey, wait,
is gonna
Tata.
help us bake.
Kaiser, wait.
And the mistake loves baking.
Oh no. Okay.
And this mistake is just eating sugar. Like me, I love eating sugar.
Okay. What are you going to bake today?
We are gonna bake cookies.
Okay. Do you want to tell me about the ingredients first? What's this?
We have sugar, we have egg, and we have flour, we have butter.
What's this? Oh my goodness. Why did you put the vanilla in the sugar, Kaisho?
Vanilla.
Oh man, it's over.
Vanilla?
This one is salt and baking powder.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So first, Naya, we need to put the butter.
So everybody is always over today.
Okay, and then we mix it. Are you ready? Is it already smooth and creamy? Wait, we should scrape the sides. I don't know what will happen to our because we already put the vanilla in there. It's so soft. Oh, why is it? Oh. Okay, now we put the sugar. Who wants to put the sugar?
Me.
Turn it on, Kylie.
What?
Yes, you turn it on.
Mama.
Oh, I will turn it on.
Everybody, don't forget to wash your hands after you eat sugar. Thanks, Mister. Thanks, Mr. Bacon.
Scrape off the sides and the bottom of the bowl.
Yes.
Then, Tiger, do you want to turn on the mixer?
No.
Why?
Mama. No, me.
More? Tiger, you might fall, okay?
No. Like that?
A little bit more. Faster.
No.
Faster, faster.
Everybody, we have this Mr. going on.
Is it straight? Ooh, I think it's light and fluffy. Do you think?
Yes.
What do you think, Kaidi? Do you think it's light and fluffy enough?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I think so too. So, next we will put our egg. Where's our egg, Kaiser? Egg. Yes. Do you want to put the egg? Okay.
I like to put the egg.
Okay.
Cute.
Okay. Oh, look at our bowl. It don't like the smell? Okay, just a bit. Maybe that's enough. Since we don't know how it tastes like. Okay,
Hey!
let's start mixing. Who wants to turn on the mixer?
I like to.
Okay. Okay, who wants to put the flour in the bowl? Kaiser will put the flour in the bowl. Okay. With his hand.
And I am
Do this. Oops, no, not in there yet. Come on, put this. It's salt and baking powder.
yes.
And then you whisk it. Kaiser, I'll get you or your own whisk. Naya, hold the bowl at my speed. And a baby whisk for Kaiser. Come on, whisk it with Ate.
Hi guys, everybody. I'm back. Don't forget to wash your hands after you touch the body.
You're not in the camera. Okay. All the way down, Kaisi.
Miss Bacon,
Nice.
you really like to eat that a lot.
Yes, it's
Hey!
just
No.
mixed. Should be mixed enough. If it's
Mr. Bacon said that he really likes that. Mr. Bacon really likes to eat that because he loves bacon.
Tiger, what's Mr. Big? Is it Kenny?
No, this. Mr. Bacon. Hey, no.
What? No.
What is a no?
Okay, last. What's that? Is that part of the baking, Kaisi?
Maybe.
Okay.
Sorry, everybody. I guess it's a baby sound so. So now we are ready to cut the cookie. Die. Oops.
Uh-oh. Kaiser, you should put them in the... Oh, you just ate the decor. Put them in the cookie. Like this. Oh, this one. You use this one instead. Don't pour it, Kaisi. Oh, look at this guy.
The cookies, it's time to taste them. No sprinkles.
No, those are the first batch. They don't have sprinkles. How did they taste like?
That is good.
Are they okay, Kaisi? What do they taste like? You baked those. Are they okay? Yummy?
Thanks for watching, everybody, and bye.